Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Arms Warrior in Mists of Pandaria. First, let's cover the core rotation. You'll want to keep Rend active on your primary target for steady damage. Mortal Strike is your main damage ability, so use it every 8 seconds. When Overpower procs, hit it immediately for extra damage. Finally, apply Colossus Smash to reduce enemy armor by 100% for 6 seconds, making them take much more damage. Managing your rage and cooldowns is key to sustained damage. You generate rage from auto attacks and using abilities like Charge. When you have over 80 rage, use Heroic Strike or Cleave to avoid wasting resources. Battle Shout provides a 20% attack power boost for 1 minute, so keep it active. Sweeping Strikes allows your single target attacks to hit a second nearby enemy for 10 seconds, perfect for 2 targets. Your talent and glyph choices significantly impact your playstyle. For talents, consider options like Sudden Death for extra execute procs, or Bladestorm for massive area of effect damage. Essential glyphs include Glyph of Mortal Strike, which increases its healing reduction by 10%. Glyph of Colossus Smash extends the armor debuff duration by 2 seconds, and Glyph of Sweeping Strikes reduces its rage cost by 10, making it more efficient. Gearing correctly is vital for maximizing your Arms Warrior's potential. Your primary stat is Strength, as it directly increases your attack power. Aim for 7.5% hit rating to ensure your special attacks never miss. Expertise should be at 7.5% to prevent enemies from dodging or parrying your attacks. After these caps, focus on Critical Strike for burst damage, followed by Haste for faster attacks and rage generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.